On the street?
Excuse me, do you need help?
Yes, I need some help.
Sure, what do you need?
First, what time is it now?
It is almost 3 o'clock.
Oh, thank you. I was late.
No problem. Happens sometimes.
Also, I need direction, please.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the station.
Which station are you looking for?
Central Station, I think.
Okay, it is not far from here.
I feel a little confused now.
That's okay. I explain simply.
Yes, please speak slowly.
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then left. Okay.
Then walk 2 blocks ahead.
Blocks mean 2 streets, right?
Yes, exactly 2 streets ahead.
Oh, I understand better now.
Wait, I forgot one detail.
Is everything okay?
I made a mistake, not left turn.
Oh, so what is correct way?
Turn right, not left, sorry.
Oh, directions are tricky.
Yes, even locals get confused.
I hope I find it easily.
You will, just follow main road.
Thank you. You helped a lot.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Oh, I try not get lost again.
On the bus?
Is this seat free here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. It's quite busy today.
Yes, many people. Very crowded bus.
Where are you going today?
I go to city center.
Nice. That's a good area.
I'm not sure which stop.
Do you know the street name?
It is King Street, I think.
Okay, that helps a lot.
I feel worried to miss stop.
I can tell you when it comes.
Oh, thank you. That helps.
Do you take bus often?
No, I am new here.
Then it feels confusing sometimes.
Yes, routes are hard to understand.
You can watch the stop screen.
Screen shows next stop names, right?
Yes, it shows upcoming stops.
Oh, that is very helpful.
Oh, I missed my stop yesterday.
Is everything okay now?
I made a mistake. Didn't pay attention.
Oh, that can happen easily.
Yes, especially on busy buses.
I hope I don't miss mine.
Don't worry, I will remind you.
Thank you. I feel more relaxed.
Next stop is coming soon now.
Is this my stop already?
Yes, this is King Street stop.
Oh, thank you. I get off here.
Take care and have a good day.
Yes, no missing stop today.
At the café?
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like today?
I want coffee, maybe latte?
Hot or iced latte?
Hot, yes. Hot latte, please.
What size would you like?
Small or medium size?
Medium is popular choice here.
Okay, medium latte, please.
Do you want sugar or milk?
Milk, yes. Little sugar, too.
Anything else with your coffee?
Maybe small sandwich with it.
Which sandwich do you prefer?
Chicken or cheese one?
Chicken sandwich is fresh today.
Okay, I take chicken sandwich.
Great. Anything else for you?
No, that is all. Thank you.
Oh, I entered wrong order.
Is everything okay?
I made a mistake. Wrong item added.
Oh, what will happen now?
I will fix it quickly.
Oh, that is good then.
Your total is £5.
Okay. Here, I pay with card.
Please tap your card here.
Okay. It worked, I think.
Yes, payment is successful now.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Coffee helps confidence sometimes.
Yes, and good practice, too.
At the hotel.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a room online.
Great. What name is the booking?
Rachel Green. That is mine.
Let me check the system now.
Okay, I hope everything is fine.
Yes, I found your booking here.
Oh, that is good news.
You booked for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, 2 nights. That is right.
Do you prefer single or double bed?
I think single bed is okay.
Your room is on 3rd floor.
3rd floor. How do I go there?
Take elevator near the lobby.
Okay, I will find it.
Your room number is 305.
305. I remember that number.
Here is your room key card.
Thank you. I have one question.
Yes, please ask anything.
Breakfast time. What time is it?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Oh, I wake up late sometimes.
Oh, I forgot to mention Wi-Fi.
Is everything okay with Wi-Fi?
I made a mistake, forgot password info.
Oh, no problem. Tell me now.
Password is written on this card.
Great, that helps a lot.
Enjoy your stay at the hotel.
Thank you. I feel comfortable now.
Good, no problems on first day.
Yes, good start for my trip.
In the supermarket.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I look for rice, please.
Sure. Which type do you want?
White rice. Normal one.
It is in aisle 5 there.
Aisle 5? I'm not sure.
I can walk with you there.
Oh, thank you. That helps.
Do you shop here often?
No, first time. Very big store.
Yes, it can feel confusing.
Too many things. I feel lost.
You will learn it slowly.
I also need some vegetables.
Vegetables are near the entrance.
Okay, I will go there later.
Here we are. This is rice section.
Oh, many choices. Too many.
This one is most popular here.
Okay, I take this one.
Oh, I picked wrong item earlier.
Is everything okay now?
I made a mistake. Wrong brand.
It's okay. I choose myself.
Yes, always check labels carefully.
Labels. Sometimes hard to read.
You can ask for help anytime.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Do you need anything else today?
No, this is enough for now.
Okay, checkout is near front.
Great. I go there now.
Good luck with shopping today.
Yes, I try not get lost.
In the clothing store.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, I look for a dress.
Sure. What style do you like?
Simple, not very bright.
Do you prefer long or short?
Maybe long dress for evening.
We have some over here.
Okay, I come and see them.
This one is very popular now.
It looks nice. I like color.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, but I feel unsure.
What size do you usually wear?
I think medium size.
Let me find your size.
Thank you. I wait here.
Here is a medium for you.
Thank you. Where is fitting room?
It is at the back there.
Okay, I go try it now.
Oh, I brought wrong size earlier.
Is everything okay with size?
I made a mistake. This is small.
Oh,
I thought it felt tight.
I will bring correct size now.
Thank you. I wait here.
Here is the right one.
Oh, this fits much better.
Great. Do you like it now?
Yes, I will take this dress.
Perfect. Let's go to checkout.
Shopping is fun but confusing.
Yes, many choices everywhere.
In the park?
Nice day for a walk here.
Yes, weather is nice. I like it.
Do you come here often?
No, first time. Big park.
It is popular on weekends.
Many people. Walking and relaxing.
Yes, it feels very peaceful here.
I like trees and open space.
Do you want to walk around?
Yes, but I don't know paths.
I can show you around.
Oh, thank you. That helps.
There is a lake ahead.
Oh, I want to see lake.
Let's walk this way together.
Okay, I follow you slowly.
Watch the signs on paths.
Signs help find direction, right?
Yes, they guide you around.
Oh, that is good to know.
Oh, I took wrong path again.
Is everything okay now?
I made a mistake. Wrong turn.
Oh, parks are confusing too.
Yes, many paths look the same.
I feel little lost now.
Don't worry, we find the main path.
Okay, I trust you here.
Look, there is the lake now.
Oh, it is very beautiful.
Worth the wrong turn, right?
Yes, small mistake, nice result.
That's how walks sometimes go.
At the pharmacy.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, I need some medicine.
What seems to be the problem?
I have headaches since morning.
Is it strong or mild pain?
It is little strong, I think.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I can suggest something.
Thank you. I feel uncomfortable.
You can take these tablets.
How many should I take?
Take 1 tablet after food.
1 tablet after food. Okay.
Drink plenty of water also.
Yes, I will do that.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe something for cold too?
These help with cold symptoms.
Okay, I take this as well.
Oh, I picked wrong box earlier.
Is everything okay with medicine?
I made a mistake. Wrong type.
Oh, good you checked again.
Yes, this is correct one now.
Thank you. I feel better already.
Remember to follow instructions carefully.
Yes, I read label at home.
If pain continues, see a doctor.
Okay, I will remember that.
Take care and rest well.
Yes, I go home and sleep.
At the train station.
Are you waiting for a train?
Yes, I go to Oxford today.
Nice. Which train are you taking?
I am not sure exactly.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Let me see the details.
Here, please check this ticket.
It says Platform 5, 10 minutes.
Platform 5. Where is that?
It is across that bridge there.
Bridge means go upstairs, right?
Yes, then down to Platform 5.
Oh, I understand better now.
Do you have much luggage?
No, just small bag with me.
That makes it easier to move.
I feel little nervous still.
Trains can be confusing first time.
Yes, many signs and numbers here.
Oh, I checked wrong time earlier.
Is everything okay with train?
It's my mistake. Wrong departure time.
Oh no. What is correct time?
Your train leaves in 20 minutes.
Oh, we still have time.
Yes, no need to rush now.
I almost started running before.
Good you didn't run yet.
Thank you. You helped a lot.
No problem. Enjoy your journey.
Yes, I am ready now.
First day at work.
Hi, welcome to your first day.
Hi. Yes, I am new here.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you. I feel a bit lost.
That's normal on the first day.
Where is my desk exactly?
It is near the window area.
Window area. Okay, I try find it.
I will walk you there now.
Oh, thank you. That helps a lot.
Do you have your login details?
Yes, I think it is in email.
Good, you will need it soon.
I am worried I forget something.
You can always ask for help.
Okay, I will remember that.
This is your computer here.
It looks complicated for me.
It becomes easy after some time.
I hope I don't make mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes on first day.
That makes me feel better.
Oh, I forgot meeting time earlier.
Is everything okay with schedule?
I made a mistake, wrong timing.
Oh, so what is correct time?
Meeting starts at 10:30.
Okay, I will be ready.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, coffee would be great.
Break room is just around the corner.
Perfect. I feel more comfortable now.
Good start for your first day.
Yes, I think I will manage.